can watch a lot of storms come in and go by. Highway 17 is backing up slow. It's coming to a crawl and it's backed up all the way around the curves and up the big hill. We'll start noticing that in a little bit. That was earlier. What? Yeah, I road tested the big one, big modem, not the Jeep. Jeep's still working on the Jeep. Right, Georgia. I gotta get the extra doors out of the back seats. So I gotta find proper storage for my doors. Oh wait, I'm not really sure where actually. Now I think maybe my mechanic has a loft somewhere. Hey, hello, Floaty. How you doing up there? How's everything today, Floaty? Great to see you here. Can I call you whatever? Cause I like that word. Foodie corrected me, but I kind of like whatever. And everybody calls you Floaty, so I still want to call you whatever. Hey, what's up, whatever? I like that attitude, right? Whatever. Cheers. Hope everything's well. Thanks for coming by. I got a little bit of sun here on the vertical, and on the horizontal, I have rain, and I'm doing two streams. Yeah, I like to do it. I like to experiment. All for fun. Not the first, and I won't be because now apparently you can do two streams off of the one if you're on the computer. Which I only have the phones up. I've been doing the phones since January 1st. So cool. Every year, I never thought about it. Every anniversary is going to be on New Year's New Year's Day. I picked January 1st as an arbitrary number to not give myself any kind of time or date. I figure, I don't know, months ago, I figured I'll just make it January 1st. I'll start. Well, I did get around 50 subs then, too, so there you go. And I got a little bit of equipment together, and there you go. Really? That's weird. That's pretty cool, man. That's a giant tablet. Harwalk. That's pretty wild, man. Where'd you get that at? Hey, Curious Georgia said hello, whatever. what what in the hell does that even mean, Walter? Drop them? Huh. Well, I can't wait. I can't wait. I don't care what they do to me now. I'll just tell you. Because, you know, I'll be ready to not give a shit. That's all I'm saying. Because that's why